When interacting with ChatGPT or Gemini, it is essential to provide clear and precise context and maintain concise and effective communication. It is important to be specific and clear when asking questions, avoiding vague or confusing queries that might lead to imprecise answers. Artificial intelligence is only as good as the information it is given, so it's crucial to provide a suitable framework for it to deliver accurate and relevant responses. Prompts should include topic, style, tone, and contextual information. Below, I present you with some initial recommendations. Define a clear objective. Decide what you want ChatGPT Gemini to achieve through the message, whether it's providing information, guiding the conversation, or solving a problem. If your question is vague, your response will also be vague. Keep the message concise, keep the prompt short and to the point. Avoid using unnecessary words or information that might confuse ChatGPT Gemini or delay the response. This is a robot, not a human, so there's no need to be overly polite. Write a paragraph about X is more effective. Then could you write me a paragraph about this thing called X? Both prompts might yield similar responses, but the latter is a waste of time. It's more effective to spend time giving clear instructions to improve the robot's work, rather than being overly polite. Use natural language, phrase the prompt in an easy-to-understand manner, and use everyday language. This helps AI understand the context and respond appropriately. Avoid ambiguity. Ensure the prompt is specific and avoid ambiguity. Refrain from using words with multiple meanings or phrases that can be interpreted in different ways. If you start getting a result you don't like, stop and rephrase your message. Provide context, provide enough context for ChatGPT Gemini to understand the conversation. Context and respond accordingly. If you have multiple instructions, but are unsure if ChatGPT Bard understands them, you can ask it to analyze your prompt. Add any other details you consider important. Forget open-ended questions. Avoid asking questions without a clear answer. This can lead to irrelevant or confusing responses from ChatGPT Bard. Consider the tone and language used in the conversation to maintain a meaningful and engaging conversation. It's important to consider the tone and language used. Avoid overly informal or derogatory language, as it can disrupt communication. Instead, aim for a respectful and professional tone, using clear and easy-to-understand language. Pose specific words and phrases to guide the output. For example, if you want ChatGPT Gemini to generate a humorous story, you can include words like funny or laughter in the prompt. Define jargon or technical terms. If you need to use jargon or technical terms in your messages, make sure to provide clear definitions or explanations for these terms. This way, ChatGPT Gemini and the user will be on the same page and misunderstandings can be avoided. Review your message. Take a moment to review the message and ensure it is easy to understand. Consider whether the language used is specific and relevant to the conversation topic, and if the message is focused and clear, leaving no space for ambiguity. This careful review can help ensure the message is effectively communicated to ChatGPT Gemini, increasing the likelihood of receiving the satisfactory response.